Rewarded Play and Ibotta are built for completely different types of users, so the easier app depends on whether you prefer playing games or earning through shopping. By the end, you'll know how Rewarded Play and Ibotta work, which app requires less effort, and which one fits your daily routine better. The biggest difference is the action you take to earn rewards. Rewarded Play is focused on mobile gaming. You earn rewards by playing supported games and completing activities inside those games. Ibotta is focused on shopping rewards. The main process involves finding available offers, completing the required purchase or activity, and submitting information like receipts when needed. This means Rewarded Play is simpler for someone who already spends time playing games on their phone. You do not need to change your shopping habits because the earning activity happens through gameplay. Ibotta can be easier for people who already shop regularly. Instead of adding a new entertainment activity, you use the app around purchases you are already making. The second difference is the setup process. With Rewarded Play, you usually start by choosing available games and checking the requirements for earning rewards. With Ibotta, you usually start by looking through available offers before shopping so you know which purchases qualify. The easier option depends on when you want to think about rewards. If you prefer earning during free time, Rewarded Play may feel more natural because the activity happens while you play. If you prefer saving money on purchases, Ibotta may feel more convenient because it connects rewards with shopping decisions. The third difference is consistency. Rewarded Play depends on whether you enjoy the games available and continue completing their requirements. Ibotta depends on whether you regularly find offers that match your shopping needs and remember to complete the required steps. Neither app removes every step from the process. Both require you to follow the rules for each reward. Before using either app, check the offer details carefully. Confirm what actions are required, how rewards are tracked, and what information you need to provide. The easier app is the one that matches something you already do. Choose Rewarded Play if gaming fits your routine. Choose Ibotta if shopping rewards fit your routine. To summarize, Rewarded Play is built around mobile games. Ibotta is built around shopping offers. And the easiest option depends on your daily habits. Your next step is to try the app that matches the activity you already spend time doing. If this comparison helped you choose between Rewarded Play and Ibotta, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.